Top Dasher status is given to DoorDash drivers who meet specific performance and activity requirements set by the platform, and it affects how often you can access and accept orders without scheduling limits. By the end, you'll understand what Top Dasher actually changes in your account, how drivers qualify for it, and whether it actually improves your day-to-day earnings or just changes convenience. Start with what Top Dasher actually does. Top Dasher is not extra pay. It is an account status that affects access to Dash Now. It allows drivers to go online in more areas without relying on scheduled shifts. Now look at how drivers qualify. DoorDash sets performance requirements that typically include completion rate, acceptance behavior, customer ratings, and total deliveries. These metrics are tracked automatically through your account activity. If you meet them consistently, you become eligible for Top Dasher status. Now look at what changes once you get it. The main benefit is flexibility. You can usually dash even when scheduled slots are full. That matters most in busy markets where shifts fill quickly. Now look at what does not change. Top Dasher does not guarantee more orders. It does not prioritize your account over all other drivers. Order volume still depends on location, time, and demand. Now look at why drivers care about it. Some drivers value the ability to work anytime without planning shifts in advance. Others prefer scheduled shifts because they can plan around predictable hours. The value depends on how structured your driving routine is. Now look at the trade-off. Meeting Top Dasher requirements can influence how you accept orders during the month. That can change the types of deliveries you take. Drivers often balance flexibility against selectivity when deciding if it is worth it. Now here's what most people miss. Top Dasher does not fix slow markets. If demand is low in your area, status alone does not increase order flow. It only changes how easily you can go online during available demand. Now the simple breakdown. Top Dasher is mainly a scheduling advantage, not a pay boost. It helps drivers who want constant access to Dash Now without planning ahead. It does not replace location or timing as the main drivers of earnings. Now the takeaway. Top Dasher is useful for flexibility, not guaranteed income. It can help in busy markets where scheduling is competitive. But it does not change how many orders exist in your area. Next step. Check how often you actually need Dash Now access in your current routine, then compare that to how often you already schedule shifts without issues. Subscribe for more clear breakdowns of delivery apps, gig work systems, and real earning strategies without confusion or hype.